Hey you guys, it's me, Ashley, and in today's video, I am going to finally share with you guys this massive collective haul. I've definitely been hoarding these products for at least a month and a half, maybe 2.5 months. I'm sorry that I have not been on here lately. I just haven't been motivated, you guys, but today I am ready and I am going to show you guys these things that I have been hoarding. I filmed a few videos over the last month or so that I just haven't been motivated to edit. So I'm going to try to put this one out first, and then I'm going to just integrate some older videos in because I don't want to waste that footage. So my intro right here, what we're doing now, is filmed after the haul video. I am barefaced and blonde in the haul video, but you guys will see why I'm no longer blonde. So yeah, if you guys want to see this haul, then just keep watching. First of all, my hair is so stupid, and let me tell you guys something. Like, let me show you. So, I ordered this, and I've been taking it for like maybe 2 weeks, maybe more like a week and a half, and my skin under makeup has improved so much, but my hair has been so oily. Like, this is only 2-day-old hair, and before I could literally wear my hair down or wear my hair unwashed for like 5, maybe 6 days sometimes. This is 2-day-old hair and it looks so oily. I'm just not used to it. I had super oily hair when I was younger, but it's never been like this oily since I've been older. So a lot of these things I've already like used and whatever, but I did want to show them to you guys. The next couple of things I want to show you guys are I made a Juvias Place order, and I got the Masquerade palette, or it's the Masquerade Mini actually. I got the Festival palette, and then I also got the Zulu palette, and so far I have used the Zulu palette. Oh, it's so beautiful, and I was never brave enough to take that jump and to actually order stuff from Juvias Place because I've never, used it before, and I'm just really finicky about that stuff. Like, I'd rather be able to look at it, touch it, use it, or have some kind of experience with a product before actually ordering things online. I also use the Festival palette, and I love these so much. I haven't used the Masquerade palette yet. It still has the plastic on it, but it's so beautiful. I can't wait to use this one. I have like some Ulta and Sephora, but I have it all mixed in this bag here just to kind of condense my stuff down a little bit. So from Ulta, I got the LimeCrime Angels Hi-Lite palette, which I have not used yet. It looked so pretty, and it was actually on like their clearance table, or like their clearance shelf. You know how Ulta has that little shelf off to the side with like all the stuff they're taking off their shelves or whatever? That's where I found this, and it's so pretty, and I love like holographic highlighters, especially for the clearance price. So I picked up the Bye Bye Foundation Full Coverage Moisturizer with SPF 50. It is by IT Cosmetics. I got it in the color medium tan. I literally, I'm darker than I have been in a long time, and almost all of my foundations are like 7 shades too light for me. This one hopefully matches. I did some swatching in Ulta, and it was the closest one to me. So I made a Beauty Bakerie order, and I bought 2 of the translucent flower powders, which are their like setting powders. I also bought a banana one, but that was in a previous order. The one I did with like the liquid lips that I got, I filmed that video and haven't edited it yet, so it'll be coming up after this one, I hope. I bought the Lip Whip Remover, which is their makeup remover, because as you'll see in that video, I put their lipstick on and it would not come off. Like, I wanted to try it in the video, but the look I had on my eyes, the lipstick was just way too bold for it, at least for me, for my job. So I'm trying to take it off. I even used the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm, and it wasn't working. I tried makeup wipes. Like, it literally, I probably scraped 3 layers of skin off trying to get that off. So I did go ahead and order this one. One thing that I have used that I bought is the Clinique Clarifying Lotion. As you'll see in an upcoming empties video that I haven't filmed yet, I emptied 2 of the Clinique Clarifying Lotions. This one is the one for very dry to dry, which I went with this one because I thought it was better than using one that would help dry my skin out, the one for oily skin. I bought a mini of the Farsali Unicorn Essence. I use this every day, even when I'm not putting makeup on. I just love the way it makes my skin look and feel. Lily Lashes came to Sephora. I cannot talk. I got them in the style Mykonos. I think that's how you say it, Mykonos. These are so pretty. They're fluffy and they're huge. I wore the Miami ones the other day. I got 2 of each style because I wasn't quite sure if I was gonna like them, but then I felt like I would, so I grabbed 2 in case I did. That way I wouldn't have to go back to the store and hope they still had some. So I went ahead and got 2 of each style. These are Miami. I have worn Miami. I really like them. They're a lot bigger than what I'm used to. I kind of expected them to be closer to the velour lashes range, but they're actually a lot bigger than the velour lashes, like a lot fluffier, a lot longer, but I actually really love these. So the last thing that I have in my Sephora bag is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. I also panned this, and I used the rest of the entire jar, and I also missed this. So I went ahead and picked this back up, and now I'm going to open it. I've been using my Victoria's Secret lotion, and I just don't feel like I have the same amount of moisture that I get from this one. So I'm excited to be able to open this now that I've showed you guys. And don't think I bought all this stuff at once, because I definitely did not. This is over like a month-and-a-half span. So I got a few Sephora samples. They gave me the Versace Bright Crystal. It's a scent. That smells so good. Okay, so next I got a sample of the Brazilian Body Buff, which is their body exfoliator, and I haven't tried this yet. I honestly forgot that it was in here, so I'm going to put this in my shower so that I can try that tonight. A bunch of these are duplicates. I got Moroccan Blow Dry Concentrate, Moroccan Oil, a few of the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. I have this in the full size. I use it every now and then. I got the Korres, I hope that's how you say it, Black Pine Anti-Aging Firming and Lifting Sleeping Facial. I got 2 of the First Aid Beauty Coconut Water Cream samples, so those are cute. All these are the Smashbox primer, so got enough primer for forever. Believe True Cream Moisturizing Balm. So I'll have to try this as well and let you guys know how that is. The last thing I got from Sephora, which I haven't opened yet, it is the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Body Lava in Who Needs Clothes. I really want to open this and try it out, but it seems like almost every review is like it's sticky, it's oily, it's going to transfer. And I don't know about that, but I did test it at Sephora, and when I put it on my hand and the back of my arm and everything, it didn't feel super sticky or super oily. So I don't know if it's different because it's been open and touched a lot. That sounds gross, but who knows? Alright, so next is my Colourpop order. This is the one I'm most excited about finally getting to use, because I've been wanting to use this stuff forever, and this is one that I didn't want to open because I felt like it wouldn't have the same appeal, you know, because they come in like the little packs or whatever. So I ordered a couple of things from the new Butterfly collection. One is in the color Race You, which is their frosty pink color, which I'm so excited about. So it looks like this. Has little butterflies on the packaging. Oh, it's so pretty. And the next color from the Butterfly collection is the Goodbye Butterfly. I only before this owned one SuperShock shadow, and I really loved it, so I'm excited to try these. I've never tried their matte SuperShock shadow formula before. This one is like an orange color, and actually it's like coming out of the pan. That's weird. So I got 4 more of their SuperShock shades. These are just from their everyday collection. So I got Banana Daiquiri, which is a green color. I got Don't Leave, which looks to be like an actual matte pink, which I'm so excited to try these, you guys. You don't even have any idea. The next one is Monkey Business, which is a bright, hopefully matte orange. And then I have Snapdragon, which is a bright, hopefully matte green. So the next SuperShock shadow thing is a highlighter. It is in Wisp. I have Flexitarian, which I bought from Ulta, and it's just gotten, oh wow, that's like a wet feeling. Let's see. Yes. Flexitarian has just become way too light for me. It looks really beautiful. Like, I honest to God can't wait to use this. I really love the SuperShock highlighter formula. It's just so buttery, and it looks wet, and it feels wet. So I'm excited to use that. I really love Flexitarian. It just looks gray on my skin. So next, for my Colourpop stuff, I got an Ultra Blotted Lip in the color Double Scoop. It is like a orangey color. Never tried their Ultra Blotted formula. I don't know exactly how to explain it. I thought it was going to be thicker than it is. It's very, very sheer, which is a good thing, you know, for me anyway, because I always get paranoid that when I put on this matte drying liquid lipstick that it's going to start flaking off, or it's going to be removed in the center of my mouth, and I'm gonna have this weird lipstick ring, and it's gonna look so gross, because when I'm working, I work in such a high volume job at such a fast pace that I never have a chance to go and touch up my lipstick. So this formula for me is perfect because it already has the sheerness where you can see my natural lip color. So if it starts to fade or kind of fade away, it's not as obvious as it is with a super thick, opaque liquid lip. So it's a really beautiful color, and I'm so glad I tried the formula. But my favorite lipstick formula from Colourpop ever is their Ultra Satin Lip, and it's the same thing, you guys. It's not drying. At least the color that I've tried so far. I've only tried one, but I bought two more. So this one is the Rabbit, and it's like this bright fluorescent pink. It's like a cream lipstick. This one has like a blue undertone, and it's just so pretty. But with this formula, you guys, you put it on, and even as it fades, it still looks good. It almost stains my lips, so I don't have to worry about it being gone, you know? Whatever, you know what I'm saying. The next color I got is Cozy, and it is an orange shade. It's so pretty. I love this formula so much, you guys. I'm so glad I found it. I bought this set of minis. It's complicated. They are all Ultra Satin lips, okay? And they're all in nude. So we have Schnookums, Barracuda, Lion King, Echo Park, and Dopey. And they are just perfect. I also bought two of their no filter concealers. They're $6 each. I bought light neutral and fair neutral. This was when I was super pale, and now I'm not super pale anymore. I'm still gonna try light neutral because I did hear that they kind of oxidize a little, so I'm hoping for oxidation. Hoping, because I heard this was a great formula. And the last thing I have actually isn't my own order. It was sent to me by Influencer, and I'm kind of nervous about it, but I am going to try it because I did say I would give a review. It is the Garnier Color Sensation Rich Long Lasting Color Cream. So it is hair dye. It says conditioner with rose oil, so that's cool. The shade is Head in the Clouds. I really like this color, and you know, there was a time last year that I was super into the gray look, and I was dyeing my hair like blue and letting it fade to gray. So I am going to try this, and I am going to try this on camera, and it's the next video I'm about to film. So if you guys want to see that, then subscribe to my channel. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this haul video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. I would highly appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel with your notifications on so you don't miss anything from me in the future. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.